single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So today I have a really special video. The company Iris Beauty sent me some beautiful color contacts, and as you can see I have them in now. I love them so much. Oh my god. I'm super excited. So they came in a package like this. So cute, right? Just so cute. And then it has like the color on the side that I got. And the color I got is Elixir Green. And it came with this beautiful note and everything. And it says, "Hello, gorgeous. Thank you so much. Y'all are gorgeous." Opening the contacts. So when I open them, it comes with the contacts and a contacts case as well. Whenever you use contacts, make sure you have contact solution, because you want to soak them before you put them in your eyes, and also you want to soak them after. And also if you drop them or anything, you want to like rinse them with this solution as well. All right. So this is what they look like in the packaging. Oh my god, they're so pretty, and they're really comfortable as well. Like, I can't even tell nothing's in my eye unless I look in the mirror. I don't even feel it. I love them. They're so comfy for real though. Whoa. I'm so happy that I chose this color. Woohoo. I made a good choice. Anyway, so guys, if you like these contacts and you want to get you some, there will be a link down below. And also, you'll be able to get 15% off, but that's only if you use my code, and the name of the code is LaDawn15. So make sure you use that code when you order some contacts. Oh my gosh. Woo. So they have this color along with so many other colors. Make sure you check out their website, guys. Oh, whoa, I really love them so much. I love them. Like, I can't stop looking at them. Whoa. Like, so if you like these contacts, be sure to order you some and use that discount. And they have so many other colors as well. So be sure to check out their website. I'll have all that stuff linked below, guys. Thank you so much to Iris Beauty. These are so beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I'm obsessed with them. They're so cute. I love them. Oh my god. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at LaDawn Donnie. There'll be a link down below to that and to all my other social media. Bye, darlings. Love you all. Have a blessed day, and thank you so much for watching.